Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial we are going to see how to design our cables. So for that we need two different colors of thread along with a USB cable and of course a binding clip. Firstly, take a plank and put a binding clip on the top so that it won't move from its place. Now I'm taking both the threads and I'm going to join them using a magic knot. Click on the iCard for reference video of magic knot or click on the link given in the description. You can even use a basic knot for joining, but magic knot has its own benefits. Now let's trim these extra threads and our threads are ready for next step. It's ready now. Next, get the threads handy by folding them and pull the wire over the thread. See, the thread is now under the wire. Now perform a basic knot or a traditional knot. See, that's the basic and first knot, and make that knot closer to the starting place. And the first thread is blue, so now I am performing a knot with orange thread on my left. It should be next to the first one, and alternatively I am taking the blue one and making another knot. So basically the pattern here is one after the other alternative colors, that is the one knot on the left side and one knot on the right side. And for this knot we are taking the thread over the wire and under the wire through the loop and performing the knot. And this knot is same for both left and right side. Over the wire, under the wire, into the loop to form a knot and tighten it up. That's it. Follow the same knotting pattern in the left and right. Now the blue thread over the wire, under the wire, into the loop and make a knot. The knots should be tight enough and they shouldn't get overlapped. They should be one after the other. And continue this knotting method. In this project I am using threads. You can use macrame or wool and material is of your choice, but the knotting process remains the same. So after the half length, the wire keeps on drifting, which makes our knotting process a little bit difficult. If you see, I am holding the wire with one other hand just to maintain its stability. So now for making our work easier, what we can do is remove the binding clip, shift the wire to top and again clip it. So now the wire will be steady again for the next working. Meanwhile, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe and click on the bell icon to receive the notifications of my latest videos. Keep on knotting until you reach the end, but the ending is a little bit tricky. Watch carefully. Now that we have reached an end, perform the last few knots carefully, again one after the other without any overlaps. Now take both the threads in both your hands and make two basic knots to perform a tighter ending knot. See, that's the first knot, and perform the second knot over it. Now trim the edges, trim those ends and secure them using a fabric glue. Let it dry and your cable is ready to flaunt. Thank you for watching. If you like this tutorial, please like it, share it with your friends, make them for your cables and share it with me in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe and click on the bell icon to receive the notifications of my latest videos.